and then eventually you start winning your wars. You start winning them all.
Right.
You know what I mean? Because you
Well,
strategize.
previously you had said, get your shield and get your sword, right? And the Bellator logo right here, right? That's what it
Oh,
is. It's a shield, right? And it's a sword
oh,
going through the
love
middle.
that.
And
Yeah,
Bellator in Latin is warrior or the war, and we have to prepare for that. You and I are
yeah,
in such an interesting space because people don't really understand what we do, and they don't understand the battles that we fight on behalf of our clients. Those clients don't even know the battles that we've actually have been fighting for them.
oh yeah,
And it's even
yep.
better that they don't. Like I tell them sometimes, like, hey, we're like the CIA. If you know about us, we're not really doing our job all that well, right? I want to
Right.
do everything we possibly can without having to involve you and the emotions and all the stuff that's going to be dragging you down because it is. It's
Hmm.
sometimes really difficult. So before we wrap up, I know I said that previously. There is
Yeah,
one thing I want to ask you about.
yeah.
Can you talk about your TV show?